The Hunt Groups tab displays all lines and settings for your configured hunt groups. Hunt groups are a set of lines within a business group, so that calls to the group are passed to non-busy lines of members of the hunt group. Select a hunt group to modify. The Hunt Group Pilots tab displays any pilot numbers for this hunt group. Hunt Group Pilots provide a contact number for the whole group that will always pick a free line, instead of being associated with a specific line within the hunt group. Select the number to configure the pilot line and a pop-up window will appear. Select Open in New Window. Here, you can configure the settings for the incoming calls to the hunt group. Select Ring Your Account Phone to have just your account phone number ring when you receive a call. Or, select Forward to another phone and enter the number you wish to forward to. Here is where you can configure the unavailable call forwarding services for this line and configure the forwarding number that will be used if all your lines were unavailable, such as during a power outage at your site. Under Advanced Settings, you can choose to enable the following: Forward Selected. Forwards callers if they match the forward selected list. Please note, calls will not be forwarded if Do Not Disturb is on and/or the caller also appears on the Reject Selected list. Reject Selected. Reject callers without going to voicemail if they match the Reject Selected list. Forward if unavailable. Forward calls if your phone is unavailable. By default, calls will be forwarded to voicemail. Anonymous callers. Reject callers who withhold their number without them going to voicemail. Once your selections have been made, select Apply to save.